what's going on, everybody? Sadistic Picker here, and today we are going to pick a lever lock, a 4-lever lock to be certain. I just picked this 2-lever lock. Now I want to attempt the 4. If you don't know how a lever lock works, this is how a lever lock works. This right here is a shaved down key, and this is what we're going to use to lift or to move this throw bolt right here. And we're going to use this pick to pick these levers 1, 2. This one will have 4 of them in it. So, without further ado, get in here and work these levers. And there's the bolt. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oops. Trying to keep this in camera while I do this. There it is. Whoops. I don't know if you guys heard that last noise, but that was the unlocking of this lock. Oh, I'm so fucking very happy. I love this. I fucking truly love this. This is like, I don't know, brings me back to thinking old school medieval shit. Although we have way better tools. What do y'all think about that? If you think lever locks is something that you can't do, let me tell you, this is something that is highly possible. Now, I don't have any gates in these, which I can't wait to get one with gates so I can feel what a fucking disaster it's going to be to try to pick. Or, as if in just like the title of my channel, Sadistic. It is going to be fucking sadistic. I can already tell that right now. But I'm thoroughly excited with these locks, lever locks. I would love to come across more. If you're in the United States, you have a lever lock, you want to trade something for it, maybe sell. I mean, I can't afford a whole lot as far as expense wise, or maybe just swap, trade, borrow, loan, you know, do something like that. I'm sure we can come up with something. But yes, I appreciate everybody watching. Make a comment, question if you have any. Although I don't know a whole lot about these. I do know a few pickers that I've watched that are really good at them, like Brummy, the lock picker. I've been looking through a lot of his stuff, content. exceptional shit. The guy is just a genius when it comes to these and curtain locks, in my opinion. I don't know if there's better, but I'm sure there's other guys out there that are at least just as good. So Chris Capune's another one. He's watching his channel is what really got me hungry for these. Chris Capune cracking his Chubb battle cruiser or battleship. I think it's a Chubb battleship. It's a lock that I'm after one day. But anyway, everybody, I appreciate you watching. So if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I'm going to try to find more of these to do. Make a comment, like I said before. And go check out Chris Capune's channel, him picking these. Go check out Brummies' channel, him picking these. I'm going to leave a link to their channels in the description. And of course, again, Jack Fox. Jack Fox, thank you very much for sending these to me. I really appreciate it. This has made my fucking day, doing this. Yeah. Made my day, my week. It's much appreciated. Check Jack's channel out. Subscribe. Alright, guys. Thanks for following. Thanks for watching. And we'll see you later.